Hello, I'm Tinif. Today I'll be talking about one of the 6 types of woodpeckers in Sri Lanka. The yellow-crowned woodpecker. The yellow-crowned woodpecker or Maharatta woodpecker is a species of small-pied woodpecker. Medium-sized woodpecker with a densely spotted black and white back and blotchy brown and white underparts. Found in the Indian subcontinent, Myanmar, Cambodia and Vietnam. Female has an all golden crown, male has a red forecrown. Favors dry areas with relatively open foliage. Their calls are like locally named Kahasilu, Kerala. I have not seen the yellow-crowned woodpecker. One such place you can see them is Polonnaruwa. These are some of the pictures of our trip to Polonnaruwa. The best thing about the Polonnaruwa ancient city is that all the ruins are in one location. So you get to see 7-story castle, giant Buddha statues, complete book written on a stone, and the meeting hall of the king. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the Eurasian spoonbill.